Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shay. It's after Christmas. It's time to take my decorations down, and I don't like doing that very much, but I do have to. I'll share something with you. One thing I've learned um, from taking my decorations out of my attic is that I am not a good packer. I lost a lot of decorations, a lot of broken bulbs, glass ornaments, things that I've had because I did not pack it well enough. But again, my attic was not, organized. So my decision this year is to go up to my attic, organize it before I start, putting my Christmas decorations away. So that's something that I am going to work on. I did start taking some of the bulbs off my Christmas tree. I am not done. I still have a lot to do in my living room, in my bathroom, and in my dining room. So let's get started with removing my Christmas decorations down, but I still don't know what I'm gonna do with my winter white or whatever. I wanted to go more of a natural beigey kind of look. I don't know how that's gonna play in with the color of my furniture because of course this is the first time I'm really trying to get this together and get it organized. So let's see what I come up with. Please stick around. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Please go back if you haven't. Take a look at my past three videos that I put up over the Christmas and let me know what you think. If you have any comment, any suggestion, what I can do better. Again, I am learning, especially with editing. I'm not good at it. So I'm taking it step by step and I'm learning how to do it. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Let's get started with taking down all the Christmas decorations. I'm gonna set this camera back up. Hopefully I do a good job so you guys can see what I'm doing. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shaye. So you saw me decorating my Christmas and it took a while, guys. I did a lot for Christmas and it took a while. So I started first with my entryway of undecorating my entryway because that's the first thing people see once they enter my home. And I did not go out and purchase anything. I just reused and repurposed what I had before. So I just wanted to take you around and show you quickly what I did. Let me know what you think. It's just basic, but I call it my warm winter white decorating. So let's start at this side. This is a lamp that I purchased from Burlington probably about a year ago. And I regret not getting the smaller one. So one small and one big, but maybe I will find it somewhere again. This was part of my previous decorating. This I got from Burlington's also. And these are just candles that were given to me for Christmas that smells so delicious. Okay, it's called Prank Kiss, whatever that means, but it smells really good. And I briefly added some white touches to my fireplace. And of course, where I am, it's pretty hot right now. It's like 78 degrees, so don't need that fireplace. This lamp I got from Goodwill probably more than a year ago. I would say a couple of years ago, guys. And I found just one of it. Again, I wish I had gotten two. I had found two. Now this is the seating area. I believe I showed that to you in my previous video, but it was an old seat that I was about to throw away, but it's sturdy, it's comfortable. So I just got some faux fur from Walmart and I covered it. The mirror I purchased from Walmart probably a year ago. And moving around to my coffee table, guys, just simple, just simple. I got this from Amazon and it was advertised. I thought it was really a large piece and it took over a month to get to me. I don't know why, but it wasn't really worth the wait or the price, to be honest with you. This is just a vase that I've had. It was red and I spray painted it white, and then I quickly added a touch of gold spray finish on that, and that's how it came out, and I love the look of it. This coffee table was given to me by someone I met online. This centerpiece itself, it's something that I previously had. You know what, guys, this came with blue, and I just took the blue out and I left the white and I added some pine cones, so it works well for that area. This book I've always used. I just interchanged the floral arrangement around to suit whatever season that I need it for, and add the different color ribbon for whatever I need it for. So there's some money saving, time saving tips that I can give you for that one. Moving around to my seating area in this corner. This is pillowcase. I love pillowcases. I'm a pillowcase gal, so I get all my pillowcases off of Amazon. I got this throw to go with my pillowcase. Kind of soft. Actually, I thought the material was a bit thicker when I purchased it, but I end up liking it, so I kept it. This is a pillow that I got from Walmart like 3 years ago. Okay, moving around to my console table. This is another lamp. I'm a Goodwill shopper, Salvation Army. Wherever I can get a good price, I take it. I got this lamp from Goodwill. Believe it was $6.99. And I like the wood detail at the bottom here because it goes really well with the table itself. My candle holders are from Goodwill also, guys. And my mirror itself, that is from Bell's Outlet. If you're hearing it, the noise in the background, it's my husband watching this program, so I cannot avoid that. It happens, part of life. Of course, my candles themselves are from Amazon. I've had those for like 2 years, I believe. And this is just my other chair. My chair, guys, these chairs are from Wayfair. And I've had them for 4 years now, 4.5 years. And they're sturdy, they're strong, they're beautiful. You can take this off, you can wash it. My granddaughter spilled stuff on it and I took it off and I washed it. I've spilled things on it. And you take it off, you wash it, and you put it on. So I love that about it. And of course, another pillow with the pillowcase that I love. So everyone, let me know what you think about this, about my warm winter entryway. Just basic, just comfortable. And I was happy to get rid of all the bulky Christmas decorations. And although we're still in the winter season itself, Christmas Day is gone, so I want to get rid of the reds that I've had in other places also. And maybe Christmas is gone, but guys, don't forget Jesus still remains the same. He remains in our heart. He remains in our lives if we want him to. And trust me, he want him to. This corner is just a table that I got from Marketplace, I believe. And I just added a decorative plate to bring out more white. And a white floor vase that I purchased from Goodwill. And I added a small detail of that floral branches that I got from Hobby Lobby. So it doesn't take much, just the simple things you do. You don't have to go out and buy expensive stuff. Use what you have and check all the Marketplace and the Goodwills and the Salvation Army. You never know what you can find. So everyone, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Thank you for viewing my previous videos. And if you haven't, please take a look at them. Go back. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Share this with your family and friends. Give me the thumbs up on my videos. Help me to build this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who stop by my channel, see what I have to offer. Hopefully I can inspire some of you. And I continue looking forward to other videos from others, and I hope you look forward to videos from me. Please put your notification bell on so that you can know when I upload a video and you can see what I have to offer. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Remember, Jesus loves you. I will always say that. Jesus loves you. And he is the best thing that will ever happen to you. Thank you guys. God bless you. Happy New Year.